Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Over the past few days, I have posted videos that have showed you how to use your scraps to create fun and easy projects such as layered bows, cards, and also treat bag toppers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I put together all of those items to create my treat bag topper kit. I participated in a swap hosted by Monica Roca. Her YouTube channel is Scrappin' for My Boys, and she hosted a treat bag topper swap. These are the final projects that I've created, and I have them all packaged up. I will go through one full package and show you how I put them together, but I wanted to take a moment to show you the 3 packages that I've created thus far. And I did use the paper by Prima Marketing called Moonchild. In my previous videos, I have done a full review. I just love the way these treat bag topper kits turned out. I think they're so pretty and shabby chic. I did finish off each package with this very pretty glittered tulle, a fun little tag, and each tag has the person's name on it in this silver polka dot letter. And I did finish it off with this fun little white bow that has a little iridescent glow to it, as well as this little heart. So let me give you a close-up of each of these. Pardon the glare. I just wrapped the tulle around the cellophane bag, and then there are all of the goodies inside. On the back of the tag has the information for the swap, as well as the person that this is going to. And this is what the bag looks like. As you can see, it is packed with fun goodness. So I'm going to clear the table, and then I will gather all of the materials to make one of these kits together. I'll be right back. These are all of the items that I've included in my treat bag topper kit. This is my first treat bag topper. We had to create 2 coordinating toppers. And I did use a file from Anna Griffin. It's called Ribbons and Bows in Cricut Design Space. And in my previous video, I showed you how to access that file. I love the way this turned out with the beautiful scallop detail here on the bottom. This paper is so pretty and detailed, I really did not want to cover it up. So I've kept it fairly simple and simply used this beautiful lace trim, flat back pearls, and then I've embellished it with this beautiful layered butterfly here. And again, I will include the video link that shows you how to make this. This is the back of the treat bag topper. This is the second treat bag topper. Again, it's so beautiful, very pretty and shabby chic. This has multiple layers. I have this flower lifted on dimensional foam tape, and it has 2 layers here. You've got the pretty cardstock, and then behind it you have this iridescent white paper, and I did layer it with some fun trim and a rose, as well as the lace and the flat back pearls on the top. And this is the back. I also created this treat bag topper holder. I wanted to find a fun and easy way to hold the treat bag toppers in place during shipping and to make a kit. So I've simply cut out a piece of heavyweight cardstock, 110 pounds. I did cover it with designer paper and created these 2 belly bands. And on the side, I've created a dimensional accordion fold pocket. I've lined that with lace trim and flat back pearls, and here I will store other goodies. So let's start assembling these. In the treat bag topper, I'm including 2 cellophane bags. I folded these together. These measure 5 1/4 by 7 1/4. So I'm going to stick that here. I'm going to add in my first treat bag topper here on the bottom. And I've measured these out so that they fit perfectly on the paper. I'm going to add in the second treat bag topper here on the top. It just slides in like so. The next item I've created are these 3x4 cards, and I did show you this in a previous video. I've included these two cards, and these are all made using scraps of paper. Here you can see the layered butterflies, the little rose and lavender. I have a sentiment and then flat back pearls, and then inside I've just left it blank. And so each kit will include two different cards. I love this one. It's got the double butterflies here. They're layered. Another sentiment. And again, it's blank on the inside. And these fit perfectly here. Again, all of these cards were made using my scraps from the treat toppers that I made. So I'm going to slide the cards behind here, this belly band, and just kind of feed it through. And then I'll slide this one underneath here. I also made these little tags. Take them out of the package. I've created these two little tags, and I've used this pretty lavender ribbon that you can tie on your package. And these will slide down back here just like so. So this completes the front of the treat bag topper kit. I'm going to turn this over, and in this pocket I am going to include these fun layered bows. I did add in another treat bag topper and a decorative bow on the top, and I have the opening on the bottom here so this package can be reused. Each package is on a 110-pound cardstock. I do have a white doily in the back here, pardon the glare, and then I have the bows layered on top of acetate so that it doesn't destroy the packaging. So this will fit right back here. And then I'm also including another gift. These are embossing folders. You get 2 embossing folders and a set of stamps. And because this is such a tight fit back here, I'm keeping the treat bag topper very simple, and I've just used a scallop punch. I'm going to stick this back here. I will then put this package in cellophane and wrap it up with tulle, and each package will receive a tag. This is similar to the smaller tags that I showed you, and I've included the initial for each recipient. I created this bow here using a Martha Stewart punch, and I've included this fun little resin heart in the center and finished it off with this lavender ribbon. And on the back, again, has all of the information about the swap, my name, as well as who this is going to. This concludes my review of my Shabby Chic treat bag topper kit. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy crafting.